This is Photographing the West podcast, the podcast for people who love to explore the western highways and byways while photographing the landscape and wildlife. And now here's your host, Kirby Flanagan.
Hello, and welcome to episode number 74 of the Photographing the West podcast. As always, I'm your host, Kirby Flanagan. Everyone's busy this time of the year, so I decided to take this opportunity to wish everyone happy holidays and spend a few minutes talking about photographing the West in the new year. My tagline has become interviews with interesting people doing interesting things. Some are well known and some are not. Some are photographers and some are interesting experts in photography related fields. That will not change. One thing that will be new for 2020 is an experiment with video episodes where they are appropriate. In February, I'll be hosting an episode with Jim Zuckerman, demonstrating his techniques for compositing, a topic that cries out for video. Another topic that requires video is depth of field blending, and there are certainly others. These video episodes will be occasional because of the difficulty in producing and editing videos and the difficulty in finding people who are willing to be on camera. If all goes well, I'll increase the number of videos over time, but the audio format will not go away. So if you like this change, let me know by email or text at kirby@flanaganphotos.com, spelled FLANAGANFOTOS, or text me at 330-903-2578. Secondly, I'm thinking about setting up a Patreon account to help defray the costs of producing and photographing the West. I don't like ads and would prefer to avoid them, so I want to give this a try first. Third, I'm planning a Yosemite in Spring workshop for early May when the waterfalls are at their peak and most roads are open, providing the maximum number of photo ops. Yosemite is one of my favorite spots to photograph. A maximum of 10 spots will be available. We'll photograph the icons, but also visit lesser known locations. Details will be available in mid-January. Finally, I'll once again be speaking at the Chico Snow Goose Festival in Chico, California, January 23 through 27, 2020. So if you're in the area, stop by and say hi. With that, I'll wish you a happy new year and best of everything in 2020. Bye for now, and we'll talk again on January 15, 2020.
Thanks for listening to Photographing the West podcast. Please subscribe to the podcast in iTunes and leave us a review. Till next time, here's wishing you safe travels and good light.